Hi, so we're here now at Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Dito tayo sa, I think they call this a podium parking. So we're here at the 7th floor where the Custom Manila show is happening. So yung event is a little bit of sales. So may mga booth dito and then a few custom na mga kotse and some motorcycles and bicycles. I was expecting to be na mas maraming sumali dito kasi I was expecting somewhere similar to the Heritage Show, remember sa ano. Pero there's a lot of interesting bikes pa rin naman. Like this one, I've seen this before sa doon sa Heritage. Itong Honda na to, ito yung kaka-show lang sa YouTube ni Fourth Nine. Ito yung parang kung meron ka mang bike na pwede mo tawaging multi-purpose SUV, ito na yon. And then you have some NSR. These are the vintage na mga sports bike. These are actually a race bike. This is the NSR. The 250R. Ganda. This is a two-stroke. Huh? Ayan. So you'll see what else is here. Drive Plus is here. Ito yung mga custom bikes. This is a custom C70. Ang cute with the high screen. And then, oh, this is a Vespa. It's a Prima. Pero water-cooled. Oh.
Assurance sa kanila, insurance. Assurance para sa kanilang insurance.
Okay, so let's go through the outside first and then let's go inside para let's look at different motorcycles here. Now, I know this is not a Harley. What bike is this? Kawasaki? Yep, it's a Kawasaki. Pinalaki niya para magmukhang malaki, but this is just a 900. Yan, matching by helmet. Oh. So HJC is here. Is this the time makakabili na tayo nito? Ito yung naka-discount palagi dati. Pero let's see later. Balikan natin. 4.9. Sige, ikot lang ako. Balik ako. Para magsukat din ako.
Sinabing ko na ito siguro sa vendors. Kasi mamaya gagawa siya ng mga wood na i-display naman ng so kailangan mo na spray paint ba? Diba? Sila dito ang pinamita.
Oh, beautiful Truxton talaga. Love na love ko ang Truxton. I'm just not sure kung tatagal ako pag ganito yung kababa, yung handlebar.
Ayan, ito, makakuha kayo dito.
So what else is here? So this is the Samurai booth.
Ang galing ni Sir, nakakuha siya ng isang set ng stickers, keychain, what else? Ano yung dyan? Mask. Yan, para habang
So here are the different custom bicycles.
Habang nagbubuga ka, tapos meron tayo sa spray paint. Picture na po. For marketing purposes natin yun.
I didn't know mga bicycles may ape hangers din pala.
Galing siya, nadali.
Ito, ape hangers para sa bicycle. Ito nga, may gas tank pa eh.
Congratulations.
3 wheels.
Kita niyo naman,
Ganda
nanalo
naman
si
ito.
Sir. Hindi ko alam kung napilitan siya sa akin dahil naglaro siya. Pero technically, pwede naman yan. Baka may gusto pang lumaban dyan, no?
These are the different
One time,
bikes.
subok pa lang yun, no? Nadali na agad.
So let's go and look at the...
Visit na po kayo dito kay Samurai. Samurai Paint
Some of the custom motorcycles here.
Sila rin yung sa Owen Shocks yan, KYD. Motopost.
So this is a Lambretta. Vespa, ang ganda ng seat niya. So this is a Sprint, same as the one we're using. Dragster. Wapo talaga dragster, pero hindi lang practical. Saan mo lalagay gamit mo?
10% sa lahat ng kanilang mga items dito.
And then...
Ang laki ng discount, 30 to 70% off. Kung parang kayo sa kanilang booth. May silver price din sila ng discount. Natin mga tropa natin, sir.
So
Tapos
GTV, GTV is yung ilaw na sa fender. Another Sprint,
Ano motor po, sir?
and then Prima.
Ay, kaya ano.
Okay, let's look at the other bikes pa. As usual, pag mga custom mga bikes, maraming Harley. So here we go. So you have a Road King here. Ang Harley is one of those bikes na hindi mo iniiwan stock eh. Yan yung tipong kailangan may gagalawin ka at may gagalawin ka. Kasi kung magasabi nga nila, there's no two Harleys alike kasi I don't think there's someone who buys a Harley na hindi ginagalaw kahit na at the minimum tambucho. Ito talaga, the old Sportsters really, I like the old Sportster but I don't like yung mataas na handlebar, but I like the look of the Sportsters talaga. Kahit na yung maliit na gas tank. Itong mga, I think this is a Fat Boy. Ang problema sa Fat Boy, parang ang bigat talaga, but they are really heavy.
Si Iwasa, hindi lang po.
Let's look at the others pa here.
Iwasa ngayon. Meron din silang mga position.
So you have a Honda na Baja. But I'm not sure if this is an original Honda. Totoo kaya to, the Honda, or is this a replica? Kasi if I have an original Baja Monkey, I wouldn't touch it. That's one of those things I want to keep stock. Okay, here's a Monkey. Gold-plated.
Sa boot ni Iwasa, i-like ninyo yung kanilang page. Sa pagtawid sa
And here's another Harley, a Heritage Softail naman.
Ayan, nalibre kayong iced coffee.
More cruisers.
Kape sila ng kape, kanina pa.
This one, if you notice, this is also not a Harley, this is a Yamaha V-Star. This is very rare dito sa Pilipinas.
Hindi lang basta Iwasa.
Ang nauso dito yung 950 na Yamaha, not the V-Star.
Filter.
I don't think that was ever released here officially.
Full clips, yan. Bosina.
Ito maganda,
mga oils.
Harley na pinamukhang luma.
Shirt line dito.
Sadya itong mga patinan niya. This is not real kalawang. This is a paint job. Galing. So mukha siyang vintage na vintage.
Shirt times. Ayan.
Guwapo.
Siyempre si Overdose.
That's a good paint job talaga. Galing.
Ayan. Shopping kayo dito kay Overdose.
I like how they did the paint job.
And sipatin nyo na yung mga builds sa mga nandito.
Here's another Harley.
Bukas po tayo dito sa
This Softail is ang baba. Lowered na lowered. Pero this is a Fat Boy. Mga Fat Boy is known for its disc front wheel. Pero ito ginawa niyang spokes.
Andyan si Moto Vision, syempre.
Ayop sa lapad ng
Ayan,
handlebar.
Moto Vision, pakalat-kalat po sila. Puntahan nyo yung shop nila sa Binyan. Quality
Yan,
gears.
here's another Harley.
Yung gusto mong masaktan, pwede kayo magpatattoo dito sa gilid. Ayan, ha?
So, talagang custom gold.
Ganun sa likod ng boot nila.
Daming gold. Gold. Look at that paint.
Siyempre, nandito si Acid Head para sa mga glove holders, mga leather.
And of course, you have a BMW R50,
Dito rin si
most
Juan
likely.
Costo, pakalat-kalat nagtatago.
This is an R50. Let's see.
Sumasyat siya ng mineral water.
Yep, it's an R50.
Starworks Vintage para sa
Ay, sayang tito ko meron dati. Dapat sinabi ko huwag niya ibenta. Ito hardtail. So what makes it a hardtail, if you notice the back? Walang suspension. That's a hardtail. Kaya hard siya. Now this is a soft tail in a sense kasi meron siya suspension sa likod. But they don't call this a soft tail. Yung soft tail, tinatawag nila yung sa mga ibang models. But this is a V-Rod. This is the Harley's first liquid cooled. Ito yung maraming umayaw. Ito na yung mga kotse na mga nandito. Uy, that's a cute monkey na may sidecar, oh. Ang cute! That's a nice monkey. Pero magkakasya ba tao dyan sa harap? Ang cute. Here's another monkey. This is more of a fully restored one. Ayan, with original lahat. Ganda. And of course, may mga konting custom na kotse dito. Here's a Mini. Pati makina, ayos, Ang kinis nitong Mini. Look at the inside of this, linis.
Yeah, maraming salamat.
Though I don't like the tweeter setup, usually you put the tweeters apart, you don't put them together. Kasi yan yung medyo kailangan hiwalay ng konti for staging. Here's more custom na mga kotse. Well, the Volks is not really a custom, but it's a really nice restored one. Oh my God, ang kintab ng ano. See, can you see me? Ang kintab ng paint job. Okay. This is the similar car that I use on my senior prom. Senior ball pala. Diba? 300 SD. But the one I used was a 280 SE. But it's the same generation. So this is the 128.
And bagong damit ng Kombi.
Guwapo. Too much memories. Kombi. A Shelby Cobra, but I can guarantee you this is a replica. This is not the original. This Mustang is ganda. Maganda yung build niya. Hindi over the top with period correct rims and wheels. Nice. Uy, a Volkswagen, a Rubio. Rubio inspired. I don't know if it's really... See, this is owned by Orlina. But this one...
Check ka rin ang bike dito.
Yeah. Right, I'll tell you that one.
Pinas Lowrider.
It's got a road bike kit on it, yeah. And it's actually a 2000 Yamaha.
Yep. It's a Rubio art car.
Check yung mga
Owned by Orlina. Ramon Orlina is the one that does glass sculpture. And the paint job is done by Rubio. This is going to be one hell of an expensive car. So remember, merong isang Volks na gawa rin ni Ben Cab. Ayun, this is going to be one of those down the road. So more mga... no, problema, di mo lang kung Vespa talaga or LX, S. So this is the PX. Lambretta, more of a vintage one. This is a vintage na ano, hindi na vintage, but this is a CB750 that was converted into a sport bike. So more of like a cafe build. Kung gusto ko yung magpatato, pwede dito. SR 400. A Scrambler. An R9T. Pero hindi. Also, it's not R45. So this is a vintage. That was... Oh, it's a vintage na BMW. Looks like an R90. XR125. Ito yung mga gusto nating gawin. I wanna build something like this eh. An old school looking na enduro. What else did we miss? Oh, there's 3 bikes here. Another Italjet Dragster. A Vespa Sprint. And Scrambler na 500 ang Honda. So, that's pretty much it here at Costa Manila. But I know they are here till tomorrow. So if you guys want to check them out, they're here at Manila Bay at the Podium Parking. I think I'm saying it right. They're in the Podium Parking. So if you are riding a motorcycle, they do have exclusive parking at the 6th floor. And then the event is happening at the 7th floor. Covered naman, so wala kang problema kung uulan. Kala ko nga kanina nasa roof deck eh. Di pala. Okay? Okay. Bye guys!